GoPro's spectacular track record of making stuff work like crap. The super broken, slow garbage monster. How do you even oh, good talking to me. That was solid.
Welcome.
Oh, hey guys. I'm back now. I got a really fun thing to say about GoPro and how good their stuff is. So about halfway through his lap on the 300, I'm timing it right, and halfway through it, the camera just shuts off and says, "Oh, SD card error." I'm going, what the heck? So I'm trying to get it recorded, and it's like, "Oh, you got to format your SD card, and you might lose all your footage." And I'm like, "Okay, whatever. Well, we got to record this stuff." So I do that. I do, I'll just click on the screen, format SD card. It takes friggin' forever, like 5 minutes, and then when it's done, it goes, "Oh, it still has an SD card error." So I'm like, what? I want to take videos. I just want a video camera that takes videos. I don't need any of this bull crap. So, GoPro, you've really done it again. I'm sure that some might say, "Oh, it's the SD card," but with GoPro's spectacular track record of making stuff work like crap, I'm blaming it on GoPro. And anyways, I got the camera to work again. I just turned it off and turned it back on, and I don't know if we're gonna lose all the footage from earlier today. So, that's all I have to say about
GoPro. Y'all is a bunch of wimps.
Can you guys please hire somebody younger than the age of, like, I don't know, 25 to do your software stuff? I mean, seriously, 40-year-olds should not be doing your software. I'm just so sick of it. I'm so over it. I don't think I'm buying another GoPro. This is bull crap.
Yeah, GoPro, come on.
Like, I was over it with the other camera, but then they made this cool new camera with the stabilization built in, and I was like, oh, okay. So they tricked me back into it. I just want to turn the dang camera on and have it record. Yes, I do want stabilization and waterproofness, but I just want to record. I don't want to deal with any of this bull crap. I just want to record the dang friggin' video.
Yep, you tell him, Josh. Tell him.
All right, so there's the end of my stupid rant.
Definitely gotta get a rolling start.
Yeah, I'm kind of ticked off at GoPro, to be honest with you guys. But here we go. He's going to try to give it another go here on the 300. Ah, that was good stuff. Oh, it makes me feel a little bit better about all this dumb camera bull crap. I'm just not in the mood to chat now because of the camera thing. Just really aggravating. It's a constant battle with this GoPro stuff, man. So I'll try to talk about what he's doing. He's got the 300. Yes, he's trying to set a lap time. It's pretty much hilariously slow. It basically can get up on a plane at full speed. And, it's slow, but honestly, if that was all you had, it'd be great fun. And I mean, it is great fun. I enjoyed my little ride on it. Here he comes. See if he clears the log. And across the line. Well, it can't be too bad of a time since the timer on the camera is only at 2 minutes. So we'll see. We'll see what he says.
Man, holy cow. Yeah.
Yeah, good. That was fast.
I tell you, you have to like really ease around the turnaround up there because it won't get back up on a plane very easily.
Yeah.
But once it's on a plane, it's okay, but whatever. Should I do a helmet cam or what?
I don't think on that one.
Yeah.
Well,
all right, we're gonna go straight up to the big dog now.
As Jacob tries to get his jet ski off of the land from which he beached it on. Like what? Yeah, okay. Fortunately, there's these nice logs here for us to sit on. I'm just glad they're not all the way across in our way.
This thing is so unbelievably much faster. It's just amazing. I'm probably gonna have my jaw dropping.
Oh, he's ready. He just wants to go, go, go. Oh, only a little snap, a little bump on the log, no big deal. Now this is he's gonna be flying around on that thing. It's be the greatest and fastest lap time a 550 has ever set out here. And I was referencing the style of jet ski, not what's inside, because clearly, obviously, if you guys have paid any attention at all, is a 640 Tiger Shark in that thing. And he really likes it. But I understand why. It's a very inexpensive engine to acquire, like an entire ski. And then you got everything you need to make it run. I don't know how he dragged me out here on this freezing cold. He just splooshed down in the water. He's gonna be so cold. Oh my. I wonder what he's gonna have to say about that. I guess he wants more. I think he's not, you know, he wants to do a better time since he's gonna have a crap time from falling in there. I really don't think he's setting any records. Maybe fastest 550. Wow. He did not even bump the log on when he crossed there. As you can see, there's not quite enough water, but just enough to make it happen.
Man, that first time I hit the bank and fell over.
You got a little wet.
Yeah. It sucked.
Did you like that laugh? That was my old crazy man laugh.
That was really annoying. Yeah.
Are you about ready to do your helmet cam part?
Do a helmet cam, yeah.
Okay, I gotta reset the old film here.
Is it?
Yeah, your angle's good.
I'll tell you what, guys. Like, I would put the Kawasaki 650 and that 300 in the same ballpark. But the 640 is in a different league. It's so much faster than that thing. It's so much faster. Yeah, the video we had of it before was probably comparable to that 300. Now, it's just fine, but I fell in earlier and now I'm kind of like, let's just finish up and get the heck out of here. Yeah, this thing is, I really wonder if this is as fast as one of these with a Kawasaki 750. Maybe a single carb one, I don't know. We'll find out. Wow. What? Was it good? Okay. Well, that's probably it. I don't know.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Jacob's making me ride this thing, and it's like a interesting experience. I like the slow 300 better. He's gonna be like, what? But honestly, I'm not Mr. Stand-Up guy. But I mean, if it was a sunny day and it was warm out, that'd be a different story. This thing is more like difficult to ride. Or, I mean, like, you know, not difficult, but it's got too much power for a wimpy newbie like me. And I'm like, don't fall in the water, don't fall in the water. It's got too much horsepower. I'm just flying. It's only fast compared to that piece of crap. I think he's breaking down. He's going slow. Everybody was like, oh, these 300s now are reliable, blah, blah, blah. I guess he was wrong. I don't know how he talked me into this in the first place. This is just ridiculous. But I guess it's good that he switched me skis, since now he's riding the super broken, slow garbage monster. Oh man, what an experience. I'm waiting to see if he's gonna be pushing it in. Oh, he is pushing it in. Oh, that is hilarious. I mean, he's not gonna think so, but for everybody else, you're all in for a real treat. I hope he has some good like words to say when he gets back over here. It's like how do you even oh, good talking to me. That was solid. How do you even just, wow, I'm making lots of good sense right now. But that he was saying, oh, 300s are so reliable, blah blah blah. It just oh, I almost put my hand on this log and it's like crawling with red things. Like, ew. I don't know if you guys can see those. I don't want them on me. Well, he hasn't done any swear words yet.
It takes like 70 hours to get in.
What happened?
I think it's just out of gas.
Oh, well, that's not very broken at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't hold that much gas. Fuel straws are kind of weird on it.
Oh.
It's got this JetSki Brothers special aftermarket fuel tank in it.
Yeah, I think I've seen it. I don't know if the internet has, but I've seen it.
Yeah.
But anyways, I was gonna let you beach that one over there because I'm not Mr. Beach the jet ski.
Did you like it?
No.
Did you like it more than that?
Nah.
Wow.
I like the like super slow 300.
You're digging the 300, huh?
I just liked how slow and mellow it was because I suck so much at riding stand-ups. And I
show,
really didn't want to go in the water.
Just goes to show how good the 300 is. I'll tell you what, I hated that thing. After the last 5 minutes, I hate that thing.
Now give us a good show, eh? How to put your jet ski on the beach. Oh, that one just broke, I think. Just broke. There was the swearing we were all waiting for. That's what I call reliability. All right, bye guys. Oh, Jacob says, watch all the old videos that I'm embarrassed of. Also, that's all.